What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you on how to show the internet speed on Taskbar running on Windows 10 or 11. As you can see, when you open the taskbar on your computer, then under the performance section, it will show here the internet connection you have, but the other information doesn't show up. So what I'm going to teach you is how to show this other information, like the internet speed. First, you need to install this application called Net Speed Monitor. Go to your browser, then search for Net Speed Monitor. Click on the specific website by the Softpedia. Now on the website, click the Download Now button. Then wait for it to finish. For the installation process, follow the steps that I'm going to do. Go over to your Downloads folder on your computer. Then navigate to the file that you downloaded. Right-click on it. Next, click Properties. Then go to the Compatibility section. In the Compatibility section, click the Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. Wait for it to finish detecting the issues. Then if there's an issue, it will automatically fix it for you. Once it is finished, click the Test the Program button. In the window that will show up, click the Next button. Next again, then accept the license agreement. Then click Next. And after that, click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Finish button. Now in the Compatibility Troubleshooter, click the Next button, then click the Yes button to save the settings for that program. Now it will fix the issue of incompatible program. After that, you will be getting a prompt whether you want the Net Speed Monitor toolbar on your taskbar. Simply click the Yes button to agree. Next, select your language, the network interface, and traffic logging. Click the Save button below, and then after doing that, the internet speed you have will show on your taskbar. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.